InvoGuide Quick Tips. The action bar lives in the guidebook panel. From here, you can reorder, move, duplicate, hide, and delete the sections and elements in your guidebook, all through a handful of simple buttons. The Reorder button lets you reorder the sections inside the group you've selected. Click into any section, and you can reorder the elements inside it too: images, text boxes, and so on. When you select one or more sections, Move to Top and Move to Bottom appear. They push those sections straight to the top or bottom of the stack. Handy when a group has so many sections that dragging gets fiddly. The Move button takes any section or element and moves it to another group or section, anywhere in your guidebook. The Duplicate button makes copies of whatever you've selected. The Hide button hides any sections you've selected. And the Delete button removes selected sections or elements. Just note, that one can't be undone. One last thing, when you're selecting, check for Deselect All at the top of the group. It's an easy way to avoid any actions you didn't mean to take. And remember, you cannot select sections and elements at the same time. Pick an element and the section checkboxes switch off, and the other way around. Build unlimited free digital guidebooks on InvoGuide. Get started today.